Guys, welcome back to the Delpris family. So in today's video, I'm just giving you guys a quick update about this app. I did this app probably about 2 weeks ago. So basically, it's an app. It's just like TikTok. It's very similar to TikTok. The only difference is this app pays you. And as you can see in the left corner right there, the dollar sign, you see this yellow circle around it. It's almost completed. I'm going to show you what happens when it completes, but give me a second first. All I want to say is this app has a great update. It updated because the dollar sign didn't look like that the last time. I'm going to leave a link to the last video somewhere up top of this video. If you see, it's going to show up somewhere up here soon, but if you want to check out that video, you can click the link just to see what it looks like before and learn all about it, because I'm not going to go over all of that in this video. I'm just going to show you guys a new update and how much money you can make in one day. Alright, so guys, so as I was saying, the yellow dollar sign right there, you see that yellow circle around it, is almost full. So when I skip this video, this is what happens. As you see, it's moving, and then it says I gained 971 points, right? So if I skip this video, it keeps loading. As you can see, honestly, it loads until the video ends. Whenever the video ends, it stops loading. So let's see if this video is gonna end anytime soon. All right, so it didn't end. So as you can see, I just gained 1361 points. So all you gotta do is just watch videos like TikTok, just skip through, watch videos. So let me show you how much I've made just today only, just from watching videos that I will do on a normal base on TikTok. So right here it says 68k. That's the points. I call them points, but they call it coins, but I look at it like a point system anyway. And then over here it says I've reached $6.82. Honestly, I've been doing this for at least an hour because I just noticed the update. All right, so and right here there's a next update that it says you can get daily rewards. So each day you come, you just press check-in. I already press mines, but that's a new feature that they have. So if I press redeem right here, you're gonna see I can only redeem it at 100 PayPal dollars or $100 on Amazon. So in order to get to 100, if I can do my math right, I think you need 1 million coins, which honestly that's not hard right now, because I said before they updated this app. So because before this update, all they did was you could only make 30 cents a day, and as you can see, I made over $6 in 1 hour. So if I just keep on doing this, probably 24 hours, which is a day, I could make $100 in a day. So I said before, if you guys are interested, you can click the link down below in the description. If you want to know how they are able to pay you the $100 a day, is because they have incorporated ads. As you can see, this is an ad right here. So while you're skipping through, you're gonna see ads. And if I click right here, this part that says Jerry Lover 2, if I click that, they go, before they take me to the person's page, they're gonna show me an ad which they get paid from showing these ads. All right, and then if I click on somebody's stuff right here, let's see, it's still gonna load. As you guys can see, it's still gonna load in left corner. It wasn't loading in the previous version, right? All you did was watch the video on their page and it wouldn't load. Just know that this update is amazing. As you can see, that's another ad. So they got ads placed all over these up top right here. That's how they make the money, so that they can pay you. I said before, I'm really loving this update because you can make a lot more now just to watch funny videos, just like TikTok. Alright guys, I said before, if you guys found value in this video, leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more so you don't miss another video. Alright guys, I really appreciated your time that you spent here. I said before, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright, see you guys in the other one.